The Chola Empire. The Chola Empire was a prominent South Indian dynasty that flourished between the 9th and 13th centuries CE. It is considered one of the most significant and influential empires in the history of South India. Here are some key aspects of the Chola Empire. Rise to power. The Chola dynasty emerged around the 9th century CE, with Vijayalaya Chola establishing his rule over the region of Tanjore, present-day Tamil Nadu. Over time, the Cholas expanded their kingdom through military conquests and strategic alliances. Political administration. The Cholas had a well-organized administrative system. They divided their empire into several regions, each governed by a local administrator known as a Naduvalan. The empire was further divided into provinces called mandalams, headed by governors called Valnadus. The Chola rulers maintained a strong central authority and implemented efficient governance. Maritime power. Cholas were renowned for their naval prowess and established a powerful maritime empire. They controlled extensive trade networks, which led to significant economic growth and cultural exchange. The Chola Navy played a vital role in maintaining control over overseas territories, including Sri Lanka, the Maldives, and parts of Southeast Asia. Temple construction. The Chola rulers were great patrons of art, architecture, and temple construction. They built magnificent temples adorned with intricate carvings and sculptures. The Brihadiswarar temple in Tanjore, built by Raja Chola I, is a UNESCO World Heritage Site and a remarkable example of Chola architecture. Literature and culture. Chola period witnessed a flourishing of Tamil literature. The court of the Chola kings attracted renowned poets and scholars who contributed to the development of literature and art. The Chola rulers themselves were known for their patronage of the arts and their support for the promotion of Tamil language and literature. Legal system. The Cholas had a comprehensive legal system known as the Chola Dharma, which encompassed both civil and criminal laws. The legal code was known for its meticulousness and fairness, and it influenced legal systems in subsequent South Indian dynasties. Decline. The Chola Empire reached its peak under the rule of Rajendra Chola I, but it gradually declined in the 13th century due to internal conflicts, invasions, and the rise of new regional powers. The Pandya and Hosla kingdoms gained prominence, leading to the fragmentation of the Chola Empire. The Chola Empire left a lasting impact on South Indian history, particularly in the fields of art, architecture, literature, and administration. Their architectural marvels, administrative systems, and cultural achievements continue to be celebrated and admired to this day.